Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to use Insta software. Management. Insta accounts to let us follow automatically. People can see. Software helps us manage unlimited accounts. Instagram has more than 100 accounts. And with Instagram accounts, today I will guide you all. Follow automatically. With these sub-accounts, and people go into viral marketing. Next in the follow section, here we have 3 parts. Follow the specified profiles. That or we can be follow by keyword. Or follow that suggestion. In this case, we will follow the account has just been proposed. Today I will test the following section. By a list. To have this list, first I will scan the data. We go to the data scan. Then we'll scan the account for that keyword. Here is to scan the data. We'll have a lot of scanning. Scan account according to this keyword. Scan this article or scan follow. Here I will scan follow. Take any channel. I'll go to Instagram to scan any channel. So for example, I'm going to scan this channel. Copy this into the software and I'll scan it here. I'll take this channel and I'll scan it. Follower file of this channel. Then I'll just need to select the account to scan this. Here we will be able to scan a lot of user accounts demo here. I'll scan 1000. Scan 1000 followers to a 2000. Enter with this scan. You can see that we're here constantly. We've got hundreds of data. And how many scans will this have? Here I let each account scan one. The username should be only one scanning account. After scanning the data, then we can copy this username or copy this link or export to Excel. I will export it to Excel. If not, I will follow. You will need a profile link here. I will copy here that profile link. Go to this viral marketing. Then we'll need to paste the link here. There are more than 1000 links, more than 1000 people to follow. And click Save. Then we will set up automatic follow configuration. It's here. How many accounts do we have per account to follow? This means that these accounts are here for us. How many accounts will I follow? For an account, I will follow you from 5 to 10. And maybe follow this random. And it doesn't duplicate data. And after that follow, you can also like or comment on the post. That's the part. Setup is very simple. So now I press start. That part automatically follows us. Please check the software and if necessary. For software, contact me directly by Telegram or WhatsApp.